but it's been hard work, and I had one really good day this week. Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, good news, very good news. If you haven't heard already, or haven't seen already, I've hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So that is unbelievable. Really still am in shock about that. Obviously last time I said I'd went over 1,000 and dropped back down, but this time I've been over 1,000 again, and I seem to be sticking there, so that's excellent news. Thank you very much everyone that has subscribed, everyone that watches all my videos. It's yeah, amazing. I still can't believe anyone would want to watch my videos, and it's, yeah, it's quite mind-blowing that there's 1,000 people that have subscribed to my channel. So thank you very much. Yes, and I will go on with what I'm talking about now, which is books, weirdly enough. If you have followed me for a little while, you know that I have moved into books. I've got some more books here. Picked these up today. Wasn't really planning on picking up much, but just nipped to a couple of charity shops, grabbed some stuff. There's not a huge amount of value. There's like one which is alright, and one's pretty good. The rest not as much as I would have thought, but never mind. I'll show you what I've got anyway. I was hoping to go to a car boot tomorrow, but that's been cancelled now because the field's still all boggy. Hopefully it'd be on next week, that's what they're saying, because it's glorious sunshine at the minute, but the field's just so wet still from all the rain we've had, so pain in the ass, but we will get there. I'm quite looking forward to it. I'm trying to clear as much stuff as I possibly can, and I've been doing pretty good. I'll get to the books in a sec, but I've been clearing down tons of stuff, so I'm not sure how much you can see. Obviously it still looks like there's a lot of stuff there. There is, but there's gaps and gaps up there and gaps there, and I've cleared out a lot of stuff that was down there, and I've actually got things listed, which is kind of the main thing. I've been listing a hell of a lot of tools because I had a whole box full of tools to get listed, so I've listed them. I've got another box of random stuff down there which I need to go through. I think it's like a few Barbies and things like that in there, and then I've got this tub, which is my next challenge. I might look at that today even, just sort of try and get some idea of what I can get listed and what I don't want. There's probably stuff in there I don't need, so I might just bin it or give it to charity. So yes, it's been good. I'm feeling positive. My listings have been, I think it was 10 listings I had come onto my store today, because one thing I've realised, so I've been, as I said in my last video, I've been scheduling sort of 5 listings a day to go into my store. That's still going really well. I think I've got 4 lists ready to go tomorrow, so I've just got to get one more to come onto the store, but it's kind of helping me realise, because usually I just list stuff and just it just goes straight away and I don't really think about it, but now I've got I can look at it. So like today I looked at the 5 items that are going on tomorrow, and they're not huge value. I kind of think that they're listings, and in my whole eBay store value is okay, but the 5 listings I'm getting listed are quite low value, not really, it's not really much money at all. So it's kind of good because it makes me then think, okay, well, I need to get more listed, I need to get higher price items listed, and just try and build my average sale price up a little bit. So yeah, it's all quite good. It just helps me visualize it more, because I can visualize it rather than just listing an item, and then it's done and I don't really look at it. So yeah, anyway, right, I shall go on now and tell you what I have picked up. I didn't spend much, but I'll tell you what I spent now. Right, here we go. So I've got a lot of book bundles basically. I've kind of picked bits up which will go in with bundles that I've already got. So again, it helps knowing what you've got, I think, if you do buy a lot of books like I do. So I know. Right, let's go. Anyway, I'll go through. It'll be easier. So, well, these ones I picked. Well, that I picked up because it was just a big fantasy fiction book. Not really much value in it, but I'm trying to just get as many sort of fantasy books as I can. I just really like picking them up. Some are worth money, some aren't. Majority of these ones I picked up aren't, unfortunately. But yeah, like this one, for is book 4. If I get the other 3 or however many, the 3 before it, I can make a bundle up. If not, I might just bundle them all in together. Julian Barnes, Before She Met Me. I think I've got some more Julian Barnes up the loft, so that's why I picked that up. These are a bunch of Brian Jack's Redwall books, so that'll go in as a nice bundle. They're all sort of slightly different covers, but I'm sure that will be fine. I've sold a Redwall bundle before and they sold pretty quick. This one is the one that's probably worth a bit of money. So this is a Folio Society one. A is for Ox, Lynn Davies. I looked it up when I was there because it was £2, which is more than I'd usually spend on a book, especially in this shop, because the YMCA one I go to, they're usually 8 for £1. So I just looked it up, and there's some that have sold for like 30 odd quid. So yeah, that's very nice little pickup there. So yeah, the Redwall, I reckon about maybe a tenner for the Redwall plus postage, maybe a bit less. I might have some others, I can't remember now what I've got. And then just sort of some general like bundles. So there's Scarlet and Ivy, 3 of those, books 1, 2 and 6. I don't know, I haven't really checked out the value, so I don't know. I don't suppose there's much value in them, but we'll see. Northern Lights, because I always pick them up whenever I see them. Mr. Gum, I got 3 or 4 Mr. Gums up the loft, so that'll go in with them. Divergent and 4, so that's book 1 and book 4. I think I've got the second one up the loft, but I haven't got the third one, so that will just stick around for a bundle. Star Wars New Jedi, because I thought it looked cool. Not really much value in it. I'll probably just hold on to it until I get some more Star Wars books. King Arthur, thought it looked cool. Not really much value in it. Similar story. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll bundle it in with something. Couple of football autobiographies, Tony Adams and Brian Clough. Again, I've got some, I think I've got like a Roy Keane, someone else, I can't remember who else now. I have some autobiographies that I'll bundle it all in together, some football ones. Robert Goddard, I tend to pick up them when I see him because I've got a few, I've got actually up there. There was a bundle of Robert Goddard up there, so I'll just put that in either with that lot, or I'll just wait and put it in with another bundle. Couple of Charles Dickens Penguin ones. Yeah, Pickwick Papers and Hard Times. They're not in great condition, but I think again I've got some more Dickens, so I can throw them in. Dilly Court. Again, I've got some others I found the other day, so I'll bundle that in together. And Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, the Scottish edition. I don't think it's actually got much value to it. It's a shame, but yeah, it's quite a cool little thing anyway. And it was only 20p, so majority of them. Actually, I've got 1 lot in the 8 for £1 shop, and then I got 4 lots of 5 for £1 in another shop. So cost me, what was it, £5 for that lot, and then £2 for that, so £7 all in for all of those books. Not too shabby. I say not huge value in a lot of it, but I'll bundle it all in and see how it goes. So there we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to try and get some more bits listed. Say I've got like some cookbooks I'm going to try and bundle those up and get rid of them because I've got tons more at the loft. I've got a bundle of, you see it there, Sam Silver books there, which I've got stickers on, so I just need to remove the stickers. I've got a mixed bundle of books there, which I'm just probably going to list. I've got some Dan Browns up there. I've actually got another one up the loft. I've got Da Vinci Code in hardback, so I'm going to bundle that in with that. I've just got to dig it out. So yeah, but I think the main thing I want to try and get on top of is this little box and get things out of it and get rid of them, and then I'll have another bit of space to play with and get more listed. So it's good. I'm enjoying it. It's not that I don't enjoy it generally, but it's been hard work, and I had one really good day this week, which was like £120 day, which compared to the last month or so has been yeah, that it's been pretty terrible. But then that one day has just made me a bit more enthusiastic. So yeah, it's making me push to get more listed. But there we go. I will leave it there. Short but sweet. Bit of information for you. But now I've reached 1,000, I'm going to try and put together some kind of competition to say thank you and give a little bit back, some kind of book bundle, no doubt. So let me know in the comments what kind of books you want. That's always helpful. I may even do like a few different book bundles, and then you can choose which one you want. Maybe something I'm thinking about. But yeah, we shall see about that. Something else. Oh, I'm hoping to do a live. I don't know when. It will be soon. I've put a thing up on my chat thing on YouTube. Some people weren't interested, which is fine. Some people, in the majority, were interested. So, yeah, I'm going to try and do a live. I've got to work out a time. I've been trying out technology. My laptop's very old, and I need to work out how well it's going to be and how it's going to do it, and then I've got to get the confidence to go and do it. So if you are interested, please let me know in the comments. It would be very nerve-wracking, no doubt, because speaking to people live is completely different to doing it in front of just a random camera which I'm holding up. So yeah, anyway, right, I'll leave it there. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for all the views, all the likes. If you hadn't hit like, please do. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm not sticking at 1,000. I want to keep going. I'm not going to be quite probably the dizzy heights of some of the YouTubers in the world, but I will keep going, and the more the merrier. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.